Hey guys, Luciano here with Worldwide RV. Today I'll be showing you the 2020 Outdoors Mountain Series 29 TRX. Inside this 29 TRX toy hauler, you're going to have a 13 by 8 storage, so you can put a side-by-side or a few ATVs. While there's no ATVs or side-by-sides in here, you do have couches here that also turn into beds. You also have a bunk bed up top, so you have extra sleepings for people that come with you. On this side over here, you'll have your Euro style seats, which puts you right in front of the TV for your entertainment purposes. And while you're out in the wilderness, doing things that you would be doing outdoors, you can bring your guns along and have them stored here in this gun closet, which is really cool part about this unit here. Along this unit in here, you'll have your kitchen area with a 3 tops stove burner, a fridge in here, plenty of storage, cabinetry along the top. You also have your bathroom in here with porcelain toilet. You'll also have your shower right in here, so when you're out done hunting, you can take a quick shower, freshen up. And then right in here, you'll have your bedroom area with the queen size bed with plenty of storage right in here. And the best part about having this toy hauler here with no toys is you're able to put down the patio door here and enjoy a nice day while camping or doing other things. And come see me here, Luciano at Worldwide RV. You can reach me here at 602-386-8960 and ask for Luciano.